Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Jetta radio. First, ensure your car is off and the parking brake is engaged. You will need a few basic tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work to prevent short circuits or damage. This crucial safety step protects both you and your vehicle's electronics. Once the battery is disconnected, begin by carefully prying off the trim surrounding the radio. Use your plastic trim removal tools to avoid scratching the dashboard. There are usually several clips holding these pieces in place, so gentle but firm pressure is key. After the trim is off, you will see the screws holding the radio itself. These are typically Torx screws, so have your T20 ready. Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. On another note, if you are looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It is a fantastic read. Check the description for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the screws removed, you can now gently pull the radio unit forward from its slot. Be careful not to pull too hard, as the cables are still attached. On the back of the radio, you will find several electrical connectors and the antenna cable. Carefully press the release tabs on each connector and pull them straight out. Taking a quick photo of the connections can be very helpful for reassembly. Congratulations, your VW Jetta radio is now successfully removed. Place the old radio and all screws in a secure spot to prevent loss. Before installing a new unit, take a moment to inspect the wiring harness for any frayed wires or damaged connectors. This is also a good time to clean any dust or debris from the radio cavity. You are now ready for your new head unit or a blanking plate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.